Hey you, do you know what this is? It's the GS3 Street Edition. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on this GR channel. My name is Samuel, I'm a photographer and filmmaker here in Hamburg, Germany. I'm also a GR shooter and this is my GR. But today I'm going to present to you this new special edition GS3. With this new edition, RICOH wants to acknowledge the street photography community, so they're calling this the Street Edition. And just by looking at the colors, you can see why it has this new, they call this an asphalt finish. And it's done by multiple layers of paint, and it has a very smooth texture but not too slippery. It does feel very premium, I have to say. It also comes with two accessories, and that is this wrist strap, and you also get this viewfinder which has the same paint as the camera. And then we have this very bright yellow-orange ring, which I think looks very cool, but I also understand why some of you think this is a little bit too much in your face. It's very bright. The thing is, this special edition was not made for it to be the most stealthy and invisible camera. Obviously it's not, but it's here to resemble the colors of the street. So you have a yellow ring because we have yellow traffic lights, the yellowed caps in New York, and yellow lines on the street. So now we talked about the design, but there are actually two features that come with this special edition that I'm going to show you after the B-roll. Okay, so we have two internal changes in this new special edition. The first one is a cosmetic one. So when they turn the camera off, we now have a special edition shutdown screen. And the second feature is something that I really wanted in the GR3, and that is full press snap by touch LCD. So we can now touch the screen to take a photo by using our snap focus distance. And that is super useful because when you're on the street and use the snap mode, the regular one, you press the shutter fully in. But this action means you're taking a photo, right? But if I just touch my screen, you don't really notice that I'm taking a photo. So this is super useful for street photography. So there you have it. This is the RICOH GS3 Street Edition. Oh, it's very loud here, but we are outside on the street. There are only 3,500 units available, so if you want to get one, make sure to check all the RICOH online stores. You can pre-order it now. We also have a Discord server, so if you want to connect with other GR shooters, link in the description. And I hope you're following this channel for more GR content. See you next time.
Hey, where's your yellow ring?
What yellow ring? I prefer it without a ring, okay? I mean, there's a black ring included, so shut up.